Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to try on this Updo braided wig. I've actually introduced this style to you before in different colors. I'll put the link for the different colors in the description box down below, just in case you're interested in black, Bengali, 1900 to 30. So this is how it looks. This is one gray, as you can see, or salt and pepper. So I make these wigs in different sizes. Just always select your correct size. I make them in small, medium and large. My head is medium, that is like 22, 22.5.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
So this is how it looks. As you can see, it's a very simple style to wear.
Wastelands, through the highways, and on and on.
And actually no can tell that it's a wig. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you love this style. Just check the description box down below for more details on how to order. See you in my next video. Bye.
Sun rays and on.